Hi, in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to multiply the decimals. Without further ado, we'll take the first sum, 2.4 by 3.6. The very first step that you have to follow when you're multiplying 2.4 by 3.6 is forgetting the decimal sign and write the numbers as usual. So I'm going to write my numbers here, 24 by 36. And after that, I'm using this technique to calculate the values and multiply and get the figures 24 by 36. Two times 3 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 6 is 12. And 4 times 6 is 24. Then I'm adding the values. Here it's 4. 2, 2, 2. When you add together 6. And 1 plus 6 plus 1 is again 8. And here it's 0. So I can write the answer on this format. I'm getting 864. So when you multiply 24 by 36, your answer would be 864. But what we require is 2.4 by 36. So the second step is that you have to count how many decimal points are there. There's one decimal place and another one. So total decimal places are 2. So I'm shifting my decimal places 2 points to the right. So I'm getting the point here. My answer would be 8.64. Moving to the second one, we'll multiply 2.14 by 7.5. So I'm taking the values without considering the decimal place, which is 214 by 75. So I'm using the same technique to multiply the values. My 214 and 75. So it requires 3 columns and 2 rows. Two into 7, 14. 1 into 7, 7. 4 times 7, 28. And 2 times 5, 10. 1 times 5, 5. 5 times 4, 20. So here I'm getting 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. I'm keeping the 5 here. And bringing the 1 to the other side. So 7 plus 2 is 9 plus 1, 10. Again, I'm keeping the 0 here, bringing the 1 to the other side. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. And 1. So I'm getting 16,050 as my answer. And if I count the number of decimal places, 1 from this one and 2 from here. So I had to shift my decimal place 3 points to the right. So I'm getting 16.050 as the answer. So final answer would be 16.05. Right. Let's move to the third one. 0.32 by 5.46. So in this case, we have to consider the number 32 by 546. You can draw the structure 546, 3 columns and 2 rows. 546 by 32. 5 times 3, 15. 4 times 3, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 5 times 2, 10. 4 times 2, 8. And 6 times 2, 12. So we're getting 2. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 17, 1 remains. I'm adding to this side. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. And here 1 plus 1, 2, 5, 7 and 1. So I'm getting 17,472 as the answer. The number of decimal points are 1, 2, 3, 4. I had to move 1, 2, 3, 4 points to the right. So my final answer is 1.7472. Right. Now I'm going to give you these four exercises. Pause the video, try to work it out, and after that, I'll discuss the answers. All right, let's discuss. 7.2 into 8.4. So I'm multiplying 72 by 84. My answer would be 6048. Since there are two decimal places, I'm shifting 2 points to the right. So my answer would be 60.48. Second one, 182 is to 27. So my answer would be 4914. And I have two decimal places here. I'm shifting 2 points to the right. 49.14. Third one, 45 by 312 would be 14,040. Number of decimal places are 4. So shifting 1, 2, 3, 4 points. My answer would be 1.4040. And the final one is 24 by 674. So I'm getting 16,176. And I have three decimal places. So answer would be 16.176. So I hope you get an idea about how to multiply the decimal places.